All right, what's up, everyone? My name is Ryan, and I am the founder and CEO here at Sell That Option. Thank you for taking a look at one of our daily recap videos. So, as you all know, or are going to find out, I send a daily recap video every single day whenever we make a trade here at Sell That Option to our members. The reason that I do this is I believe that getting into the mindset of somebody that can successfully trade is so incredibly important. Right? We know that when you can get inside of someone's head that figured it out, you can truly get into a state where you begin to think similarly or understand something similarly. And so that's what I try to do, right? I try to, every single day, help members understand why I made the trades I do. So if you ever do decide to become a member here at Sell That Option, what you'll do is you'll come in here, you'll go to the members, and you will get into the daily recap videos. Now, these daily recap videos, the most recent one is right here, right? And so you just go in, you sign into your portal here at sellthatoption.com, and then you just click play, and then you can see exactly the trade that I made and why I made that trade, and any particular things that were important for us as we go through thinking about our trading. So without further ado, take a look at the daily recap video that you have selected. If you ever have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me at Ryan, RYAN, at sellthatoption.com. And as always, stay humble, stay hungry, and here's to our success.
All right, and happy Monday. Today is Monday, November the 12th, 2018, and we are going over our daily recap here. We only executed one trade today, which was a straddle here in OIH. As you can see, we sold the 20 call and the 20 put. If I was doing an iron butterfly, what I would have done is purchased the 16 put and the 24 call. I did take in 186 in credit. As you can see here, we do have the position already good to canceled. Order here for 140 to try to get that 25%. Let's take a look at the risk analysis here. This is where the position started. And so it was right at 20. We can see that it's now trading for 1958, but we got really nice break evens here. So really nice Y to 2186 down to 1814. We'll look to add probably a position at 18, look to add a position at 22, but for then we'll just let it go back and forth between the short strikes. Really quite an easy position. Here is the day though. Let's take a look at the massive day that we had. We lost what is this, 3% in the Qs, 1.8% in the S&P. IWM small caps, we lost 2%, and then we lost in the diamonds, just right at 2.25%. So a pretty crazy, pretty significant day. We'll see if we test these lows down here. Not quite sure. We saw, really pretty significant weakness here in these securities. So it'll certainly be interesting. I of course do play the volatility, and so we saw volatility increase, which is why we have such large, the VIX increased by 17.8% here. So this is one of the reasons why all of our securities right now have really, really elevated IVs. So we want to be pretty aggressive here. So we did, again, only position we added was in OIH. I'm excited about this oil exposure. Oil is certainly, had a pretty rapid decline over the last couple of weeks. And so we want to continue to try to take advantage of that. But I am in XLE, USO, OIH, XOP. So I have some pretty significant exposure to oil and any of those type of derivatives right now. But again, these are the current positions that we're looking at closing. Some of these are getting a little close to going right. So RSX is pretty close to popping off. And then we get into our December expirations, some of which are close. You can pause it and see here. So like this RSX position is somewhat close. This GDX position right here is somewhat close. The CWZ isn't too far off. This TLT position is close to going off for a profit already. So we're just going to continue to kind of stay the course here. continue to do what we have been doing. We'll look to add where we need to add and take off where we need to take off. But really a pretty solid day here. And yeah, so this is the position in OIH. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at Ryan, RYAN, at sellthatoption.com. And as always, stay humble, stay hungry, and here's to our success.